Hello everyone, my name is Surur Mayahi. I'm in the EC 2150. The subject that I will be speaking to you today, it's about the continent Africa. So as you all know, Africa is composed of many countries, many African countries such as Ghana, Ethiopia, Jamaica, and etc. In this presentation, I will be speaking about the general information, the celebrations that are taking place in different African countries. One of activity, also a recipe of the most famous food, so as you know, Africa is south of Europe, bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean to the east, and Atlantic Ocean to the west. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. The total area is about 30.2 million square kilometer. The population of Africa is over 1.4 million. There are many languages spoken in Africa. It's very diverse, but the most spoken languages are English, Arabic, French, Swahili, Hausa, Amharic, and Zulu. One of the celebration, the famous celebration is called the Yam Festival. It's celebrated mostly in the country Ghana. The Yam Festival is a big celebration in Ghana that happens when the first yam of the season are ready to be eaten. Yams are very important food in West Africa, and this festival says thank you for the harvest. Again, it is celebrated as in Ghana and mostly by the Asante and the Iwi people. It's a way to say thank you, the God, and thank the God and the ancestors for a good harvest. Is also a time for families to come together, eat, dance, and enjoy. People wear bright traditional clothes, and there are parades with music and dancing. The special dishes made with yams are served and decorated. The second celebration is called Timkat, is in Ethiopia, and Timkat is a religious festival celebrated by Ethiopian Christians. It remembers the baptism of Jesus in the River Jordan. It is celebrated in Ethiopia, especially in cities like Gondar and Addis Ababa, and is to honor Jesus' baptism and to renew people's faith. People dress in white robes called shama. There are big parades with singing and drumming. Priests carry models of the Ark of the Covenant under colorful umbrellas. Water is sprinkled or poured on people to remember baptism. The celebration usually takes about 2 to 3 days. The third celebration is it's called Durbar Festival in Nigeria. This festival is a royal parade that shows off the power and beauty of the emir's traditional leader palace. It often happens during Eid, the Muslim holiday, or other important event. It is celebrated in northern Nigeria in cities like Kano and Katsina. To honor the emir, show loyalty, and celebrate special religious holidays like Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Men ride on beautifully decorated horses in the parade. They're drumming, dancing, and music. People wear colorful robes and turbans. The emir watches from his palace. Families and visitors enjoy food during the show. So one of the activities that I created, it's called Yam Festival Harvest Story Drawing. So we can print basically drawings for children, and this will help children learn about the cultural importance of the Yam Festival in Ghana, and express their understanding through creativity. What we need is images of a yam festival. It can be a sheet, a storybook. We can show them some example, and they can become creative with the yams, drawing yams and coloring it. Also, in this presentation, I have put in some pictures of flags, animals, dishes of African food. One of the recipes of the most eaten food in this continent, it's basically called the yam chips or yam dessert. What you need for this recipe is two ripe plantain that looks like banana. They should be yellow with black spots. That means they are sweet. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a pinch of salt. Some eat it with cinnamon or with syrup. So we can peel the plantain, cut them in slices, and put the oil in a frying pan and over medium heat. We carefully place the slices of the plantain. We fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until they're golden brown. We remove them from the pan, put them on a paper towel, and then we can sprinkle some salt or some cinnamon powder and sugar. It's all the personal preference, but I have actually tried it myself at home. It can be a very delicious even dessert, or you can have it with beside your main dish. I hope you enjoyed the information I provided on the continent of Africa. There's a lot more interesting information about it, but this was just a summary of what I've researched. Thank you for watching and have a good day.